Happy Monday, everyone. It's Melissa here from One Hot Bite. Today we are gonna make potato salad. This is my famous potato salad. This is my family secret recipe. So sit down, grab a cup of tea, coffee, whatever you're gonna sip on, and just wait, because this is the best potato salad I've ever had. It's made with red potatoes, fresh herbs again. We're in that season where we can use a lot of those fresh ingredients. It doesn't have eggs, it doesn't have a lot of mayo. So again, here I am doing the light thing, but it has bacon in it. So come on, you gotta give me some kudos for putting some bacon in here. But it's seriously the best potato salad I've ever had. It's one of my family favorites. We have this through the winter, we have it through the summer. This is a great meal to accompany a burger, grilled chicken, smoked ribs, anything you can imagine through the summer season. So this is a great potato salad. So sit down, relax, let's get this going. I already pre-boiled my red potatoes. So red potatoes is a secret on this one. They hold together really nice and they have some really nice flavors, but I'm gonna skin those. You're gonna see that, but they're already boiled. If you have any questions about boiling, go ahead and ask me down below and I'll help you out with that. And while we're at it, go ahead and hit subscribe and like, and I love you all. Welcome here, and let's get cooking. Okay, we have it all mixed, but the best thing to do that I like to do is make sure I have enough salt, pepper. I make sure everything's good. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna add a touch more pepper. Just some crushed red pepper, or not red pepper. That'd be awesome. Ground black pepper. Okay. Remix it. Okay, let's give it one more sample. Make sure I get everything in here. Okay, we're good. That's really good. Okay, we're gonna plate this just in a bowl. You can serve it right away. You can serve it warm if you have your potatoes when they're warm, or you can stick it in the fridge and you can keep it up to a couple days. So let's go ahead and put this in a bowl and make it look pretty, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, we have it all in the bowl. Now I'm gonna take a little extra chive, put it on top. A little more bacon never hurt anybody. And here's your potato salad. And there you have it, another hot bite from One Hot Bite. Fresh, famous by me, not famous, but anyhow, this is our family's favorite potato salad. It's so good. I'm gonna give you a good look. and the bacon makes it. Again, you guys have a wonderful day. Let's have a wonderful Monday. Let's have an incredible week. Be kind to each other, love each other. Let's spread our love across this world because we need it. Love you guys.